Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Just about got done with this Smith Corona and noticed that the ribbon's not turning. It started out dark, goes light pretty quick. Should not do that. It's a brand new ribbon. So I investigated, and it looks like not only is the ribbon drive a little sticky on this Smith Corona Silent, under here is the ribbon drive. A very straightforward mechanism. Come on, light. Alright. So this is your ribbon drive shaft. This is your right ribbon drive spindle. Left ribbon drive spindle. This just turns one direction, and it's not turning very good. This drives it right here. But it's not. This little clutch here is gummed up. It's a little sticky and not turning properly, so we're just going to give it a little bit of degreaser right there. And already it's moving. Just took a little bit more. Flush it here with some air. But it's also got a secondary problem here. So it's turning there. Flush this side out here too. Give it a little bit of a brush action. Give it some more air. It says turn now, but it's not going to turn all the time because if you look real closely, you'll see that this assembly right here is broken. It's broken right there, so this should be one piece right there. And those pieces, look, I just had to go find some new pieces. I had a bunch. So that's what these guys look like. Another bag here. I just need one. Oh, I was going to say there's different styles in here, but I think they're all the same. Probably just bought at a different time. One's a different color, but they're the same. They're the same part. So I'm going to put on that one. And we'll just put these back in the bag. That. These do break. They're just springs, and but they definitely are special springs. So that just comes out with one simple screw right there. And there is a little bit of an adjustment to it. See it's got a little bit of a slot right there, so the one just goes right back in here. Now this keeps that spring from, or that clutch from backing up. After it goes through its drive motion, it keeps it from backing up and gives it a full drive. So let's see if we can get this screw back in here. Not too much trouble, come on. Nope. It's gonna work without. Let's try it again. Let's see. Oh, come on. So that goes in like that. Let's get this. Oh, come on. Alright. Not want to cooperate with me. I'll give it another try. Alright. Let's give it another try. Have some patience. Do not get frustrated. We'll get this thing in there. Try it a different way, just to get it started. Okay, so let's just snug that screw up a little bit, straighten this out a little bit, like that, and move it up a little bit. Right about, let's try right there. That's tight. Okay, so now this should ratchet right along down through here. Come on, buddy, what is your problem? See if something's whack up here. Okay, I think the ribbon just jammed up on the reverse. Okay, that's working better. That is working properly. Let's try reverse, make sure it's working from the top side. So we can open this up and we can see which way it's going. So it's going that direction. All we need to do is push this arm right over here and make sure it reverses. It did. Now it's going that direction. And push this arm over here, make sure it reverses the other way. And it does. So we got ribbon drive and ribbon reverse working as it should. Let's try it on paper here and see if she's looking better. Alright, I think we got it. Yeah, it's the first one of these little guys that are broken in a long time. If you look and see, this thing has just got a crack right there. So I think it might have even worked with that crack, but it was gummed up too a little bit. So let's spray a little bit of my favorite cleaner in here too. Just a bit, just. Okay. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.